Join Protect Nature on a thrilling journey through some of the most devastating natural events ever recorded. From earthquakes that shake the earth to tsunamis that swallow cities. These disasters will not only leave you terrified, but also in awe of the power of nature. 50 stunning moments, 50 powerful reminders of the importance of respecting and protecting our common home, the Earth. Explore the beauty and danger of nature together and feel the unstoppable power of Mother Nature, reminding us of our responsibility to preserve the precious heritage we have. The tsunami crashed onto the shore, sweeping away everything in its path with devastating destruction, like the wrath of the ocean. The flood engulfed the house in the sea, leaving only the roof poking up like a lonely island. The forest fire erupted fiercely, flames spreading like a whirlwind, incinerating every treetop and leaving behind a desolate landscape. The flood surged and raged like an angry ocean, pushing powerful waves that swept everything away, creating a scene of chaos and unrelenting fear. The tornado grew massive, engulfing the house in its tempest, sweeping up wind and rain. The snow avalanche thundered down like a white wave, burying all traces on the ground and creating a majestic yet perilous scene. A massive boulder broke loose from the mountain, tumbling down with terrifying force, crushing everything in its path. The massive tornado, as tall as several buildings, roared as it swept away everything in its path. The flood surged terrifyingly, like a colossal wave crashing down, sweeping away everything in its path, leaving behind devastation. The ferocious storm swept away everything in sight, like an unstoppable fury. The flood surged violently, like a raging beast, sweeping everything in its path and leaving a scene of devastation and overwhelming terror. The storm swept everything into its vortex, as if engaged in a battle with nature, hurling debris and trees high into the sky. The volcano simmered, erupting with bright red lava like the Earth's blood, creating a majestic yet terrifying spectacle. The landslide struck unexpectedly, earth and rocks tumbling down the mountainside, producing a thunderous roar. The house collapsed like a crushed model, with chunks of walls and rooftops shattering into pieces, creating a scene of devastation. The storm swept away everything in its fury, tearing apart branches and sending objects flying. The flood surged forward, resembling a massive school of fish attacking relentlessly. The floodgates burst, and water surged violently, like a wild beast escaping its confinement, sweeping away everything. The fierce storm roared like a wild beast, sweeping in with strong winds and torrential rain. The tsunami struck, waves towering higher than skyscrapers, like colossal pillars of water. The flood surged violently, rising as high as the houses, sweeping everything within reach and turning the scene into unimaginable horror. The tornado twisted through the sky like the wrath of nature, sweeping up strong winds and debris. The forest fire raged fiercely, smoke billowing thickly, enveloping the road in a dense fog, turning the atmosphere dark. The mountainside collapsed, shrouding the area in thick, swirling smoke like a nightmare, obscuring the surroundings and instilling fear in those who witnessed it. The tornado swept through with winds and debris, like a fierce whirlwind, leaving trails of destruction everywhere. The forest fire erupted fiercely, flames spreading like a whirlwind, incinerating every treetop and leaving behind a desolate landscape, thick with the smell of smoke. The road collapsed like a nightmare, with large chunks of earth giving way, creating deep, unexpected craters. Chunks of earth and rock tumbled down from above, creating a thunderous chaos that shook the surroundings. The flood surged violently like nature's wrath, water flowing powerfully and sweeping away everything in its path. The snowslide suddenly descended like a massive white wall, sweeping away everything in its path, leaving an eerie silence in the aftermath of the chaos. The landslide cascaded down like a raging waterfall, earth and rocks tumbling in a thundering roar. The forest burned fiercely like the wrath of nature, flames consuming every treetop and creating an unforgettable scene of chaos. The tsunami surged in like an uncontrollable wrath, sweeping everything away in an instant. The landslide struck suddenly, with earth and rocks cascading down violently. The volcano simmered like a waking beast, with lava flowing fiercely, creating a breathtaking yet terrifying scene. The storm surged like a nightmare, roaring through the night, sweeping in with rain and fierce winds, shaking everything. The flood rushed in swiftly, sweeping away everything in its path, creating a scene of devastation where water and mud mingled chaotically. Thank you for joining Protect Nature on this journey to discover some of the most spectacular and impressive natural phenomena. The powerful moments we witnessed not only showcase the immense power of Mother Nature, but also remind us of the importance of protecting the environment and preparing for emergencies. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future exciting content. Every small action of yours can make a big difference for the future of the Earth. Together, we will protect our common home and build a greener, more sustainable planet. See you in the next videos.